Hello friends, welcome back to my Monday motivational video. Today I will tell you 5 ways to stay motivated for studying in exams. Now as exams are approaching, motivation needs to be the highest. The first way is remember why you started. Never forget the day when you dreamt of this goal. And now is the time to execute it. This is your biggest ever motivation. That this is your time. The time of action, the time to execute your plans. So do it. Second way, give yourself credit. Always appreciate the achievements of your life. Whether they are big, whether they are small, doesn't matter. But just appreciate them and give yourself that credit. If you can do that, you can do this as well. Third way, don't compare yourself with others. Always remember that both sun and moon shine, but at their own times. So wait for your time to shine. You will shine, definitely. So don't compare your success rate, don't compare your life with others. Fourth way, take one day at a time. As I always say, take one task or take one chapter or take one topic at a time. Don't just clumsed or don't just mess with everything around you. Fifth way, believe in yourself. Always have faith and believe in yourself. While you take anything in your life, you do anything in your life, you have to keep that faith and believe in yourself, right? Because if you can dream it, you can achieve it as well. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more.